I am going to be showing you how to make sticky honey garlic chicken wings. They're so amazing, first of all, because they're full of flavor and they are just so juicy. If you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to give my videos the thumbs up and you will enjoy each and every recipe. You can serve these chicken wings as appetizers, and if you're making more, you can double up the amount of spices and the portion of the chicken wings, and your guests will surely enjoy. And there's nothing as good as homemade chicken wings. So first of all, this is a very simple recipe, as I've said, and I'm going to be using a couple of ingredients. I have salt, black pepper, honey, soy sauce, cooking oil, 2 cloves of garlic, paprika and garlic powder, and of course our chicken wings. So I'm using half a kg of chicken wings because they're just for my family. They're just appetizers. Also, you can check out the ingredients in the description box down below, and also I've linked some of my other chicken recipes so you can check out and prepare for your family. So my chicken is clean and dry because I drained the water and I let it sit and drain off the rest of the excess water. And did I say this is a very flavorful recipe? Because we have garlic. I love garlic. So we are going to add garlic in our bowl. Next, I'm going to add my spices. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt because they're not many. Also, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm using dark soy sauce, and if you're using the light soy sauce, you can add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, the light one. Because I'm using the dark, I'm going to add a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. So I'm going to add that as well in my bowl. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of honey, or 2 tablespoons of honey. This is going to be amazing. At this point, you're going to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes just before you mix up everything and assemble your chicken wings in your baking tray. So I'm going to do that, 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to use a spatula to mix my ingredients until well combined. It is that easy. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to add about a tablespoon of oil. Almost forgot that. So you make sure each and every piece of chicken is coated with the marinade. Also, you can marinate your chicken overnight or at least 6 hours. For me, I'll be adding mine straight into the oven and it's still going to be amazing. But if you want a better result than mine, you marinate it for at least 24 hours or 6 hours, yeah. So because my chicken is well combined with my marinade, I'm going to let this sit for 5 minutes as my oven preheats. My chicken has been marinating for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to transfer into an oven-proof baking tin. If you don't have this, you can spread in your baking tray. So I'm going to pick my chicken and I'm going to arrange them in my baking dish, just like so. So you try not to overcrowd. so I'm not overcrowding. I'm trying not to. I think that is okay. Then for the rest of the marinade, I'm going to drizzle in the baking tray, just like that. We need all that yumminess. Also make sure to scrape your bowl clean. Then you're going to bake your chicken wings for 20 minutes. Then you'll flip them and bake for another 20 minutes. It's that simple. It's that simple. And the outcome is going to be delicious. So I'm going to put this in my oven. And always while baking, make sure to put your baking tray or baking tin in the center of the oven so that it can cook evenly. So I'm going to set this for 20 minutes. Then I'll catch you after 20 minutes. We'll flip them and bake for another 20 minutes. I'm going to flip my chicken wings the other side so that they can cook. And they are already smelling amazing from the garlic. Now that I'm done flipping, I'm going to return my chicken wings for another 20 minutes. So this is how my chicken is looking, and it's looking amazing. You can notice the dark color from the soy sauce, and also it has a very glossy look from the honey, and I know you'll definitely love this recipe. So I'm going to garnish my chicken with sesame seeds. And it looks amazing and smells amazing. Hope you make yourself these sticky honey garlic chicken wings.